Hi, I'd like to take just a couple of minutes to tell you about the I&E On-Demand course, Introduction to Azure Core Services. I'm Tracy Wallace, and I put this course together to really give you an introduction to what's available in the Azure environment. This is one of the courses that's on the learning path aligned with the Azure Certification Exam, AZ900, which gives you an Azure Fundamentals certification. It's not an exam prep course because my goal is really to make you understand what's available in Azure in this course, and more broadly to really just understand the fundamentals of Azure. But if you do that, then you're going to be in a good position if you're interested in taking the certification exam. Let's talk about some of the content. What are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about the Azure architectural components. What is Azure? How do we manage it? How do we think about the ways that we can assign access and manage our resources, and really just the overall architecture within Azure. And then we're really going to dive into some of the core Azure products. Now we're going to talk about some products that you would probably expect in a cloud discussion, so things like virtual machines and virtual networks and different relational databases that are available. But we'll talk about many other products, so things like Redis Cache and Kubernetes and Azure Data Warehouse or Azure Synapse, and some messaging capabilities and IoT capabilities. So we really look at a pretty wide range of products that are available. And in addition to that, we also look at some Azure solutions. This is things like machine learning, which I've got an image of right here, the tools and overall solutions Microsoft makes available, some of the DevOps capabilities that are baked into the Azure environment, also looking at things like information of things or IoT solutions such as IoT Central, and looking at those tools that are really giving you that kind of broader capability to put functionality, to put your solutions together. Okay? In addition to that, last thing we'll talk about here, have to know how to manage all of this. Right? So we're going to take and cover the tools that are available to you. How are you going to manage your Azure resources, whether it's going through the web, through the Azure portal, or on the command line by using the Azure PowerShell commandlets or the Azure CLI, or even if you're writing custom applications for controlling Azure or third-party applications, understanding how all of that works together. So the idea is that we're going to set that foundation of what Azure is, look at the elements that you have to use within Azure, and talk about the ways that you're going to manage them. I hope you'll come over and join me at ine.com for this on-demand course. Thank you.